Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your home. So, my dear students, this time we are revising chapter. So, we are revising chapter first, that is looking back. In this chapter, some questions we have been revised, but some of them is left. So today we will revise remaining questions. Okay, but very first we will see the solution of previous class homework. So you can see here, this is the solution of previous class homework. In previous assignment, I had given you question number 4. Write each numeral as a sum of hundreds, tens and ones. So, number A is already solved and we have to solve B. In B, 798. So, we will write at the front of 107 because we can see here is 7 at 100 place, so we will write here 7, and after front of tens we will write 9, and after front of 1 we will write 8. So 700, 9 tens and 8 ones. Similarly, you had to solve number C. Okay, next, number 1. Write each of the following in standard form and word form. In previous class, I have taught you how I can write numbers in standard form and word form. So, this is the solution. Question number 6. Write the given numbers in word form. Say the numbers aloud as you write them. So, here again you have to write numbers in word form. Okay. In number 7, write the given number names in standard form and expanded form. This is also same. You have to write numbers in standard form and expanded form. So I hope you all have done your works. And now you have to match your answers with this. Okay. So now I am going to start our today's class. So today we will start with question number 8. Okay, so let's see. Question number 8. Discover the pattern and write the missing numbers. It means in question number 8, firstly we have to find out what we have to do for writing next number. We have to add, we have to subtract, we have to multiply और we have to divide. मीन्स सबसे पहले हम ये पता करेंगे कि हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है. मीन्स आप यहाँ दे सकते हो, यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं 201, 203, 205, 207. तो ये किस बेसिस पे लिखे गए हैं? इनमें कोई नंबर ऐड किया गया है, कोई नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया गया है, या कुछ भी मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है, या कुछ भी डिवाइड किया गया है. किया क्या गया है इसमें? सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पैटर्न. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. इन ए, सो लुक एट ए. इन ए, first number is 201, second 203, next 205, and next 207. It means here we can see here is adding 2. When we add 2 in 201, we get 203. Similarly, when we add 2 in 203, we get 205. Similarly, when we add 2 in 205, we get 207. So we have to follow this pattern. Means we have to add for finding next number. We have to add 2 plus 2. Okay, so let us do. So we will add 2 in 207. So we get 209. Next 211. Next is 213 and next 215. Okay, so look at B. In B, first number is 120, next is 125, next 130 and next 135. So here we can see here adding 5 means when we add 5 in 120 we get 125. Similarly, when we add 5 in 125 we get 130, and in next when we add 5 in 130 we get 135. So for finding next number we will add plus 5. So we get 140, next is 145, next 150 and next 155. Okay, similarly you have to solve C and D. Firstly you have to find out the pattern, and after finding out pattern you have to fill these boxes. Okay, so let's see question number 9. Question number 9, write A, the largest first digit number. So can you tell me the largest first digit number? Look here, we will start numbers with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now tell me the largest first digit number, one digit number. So you can see here after 9, 10 is 2 digit number. After 9, 10 is 2 digit number. So and from 1 to 9, 9 is the largest digit. So it means the largest one digit number is 9. Largest one digit number is 9. And if you have to tell smallest two digit number, so this is 10. 10 is smallest two digit number. And after 10 we get 11. Yes, after 10 we get 11, 12, 13 like this. So here you can see 10 is smaller than all numbers. So that's why 10 is smallest two digit number, and 9 is largest one digit number. Okay, so in B, the largest two digit number. So largest two digit number means in number 1 to 100. In number 1 to 100, tell me number come before 100. Number comes before 100. So this is 99. 99, and after 99 we get 100. Yes, so you can see in 100 there is a 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. It means ones, tens and 100. So 100 is 3 digit number and 99 is 2 digit number. So that's why 99 is largest 2 digit number. So what we will write here? The largest 2 digit number is 99. Okay, and look at the C, the smallest 2 digit number. As I told you, the smallest two-digit number is 10. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Okay. Similarly, you have to solve D and E. You have to fill it. Okay. Question number 10. Write the numbers. Yeah, here before and after. Before means predecessor and after means successor. So it means we have to write successor and predecessor. Okay, as in A, here is given 101. So predecessor of 101 is 100 and successor of 101 is 102. So what we have to do? For finding successor, we have to add just 1 in number, and finding predecessor, we have to subtract 1 in number. So the predecessor of 536 will be 535 and successor of 536 is 537. So how we get 535? Subtracting 1 from 536, and for successor we add 1 in 536. So we get 537 as a successor. Okay. Similarly, you have to solve C, D, E and F. Okay. Number 11. Write the place values of the digits in the given numbers. Means number के place value को हमें यहाँ पे write करना है. So 8 at 1's place. It means the place value of 8 will be 8 multiply 1. 1 is equal to 8. 6 at 10's place. So place value of 6 will be 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60, and 4 at 100 place. So 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. Okay. So the place value of 8 is 8, 6 is 16 and 4 is 400. Okay. And for you have to solve number B. Okay. Look at question number 12. Encircle the numbers having the digit 3 in the ones place. Means हमें उन numbers पे circle करना है जिनके ones place पे 3 digit हो, ones place पे 3 हो. So as it circle earlier 753. So we can see in 753 3 at ones place. So we have to do it. In 531, here is 3 but not at 1's place, 3 at 10's place. So in next 203, in 203 we can see 3 is at 1's place, and in 993, in 113 and in 683. Okay. So similarly, you have to solve question number 13 and 14. In question number 13, encircle the numbers having the digit 6 in the tens place. So, and in 14, encircle the numbers having the digit 7 in the 100 place. Means number 14 में आपको उन numbers पे circle करना है जिनके की 100 place पे 7 है. Okay. Look at number 15. Encircle the odd numbers from the following. Means इसमें से जो भी odd numbers हैं हमें उन पे circle करना है. So as I have taught you earlier, how we can find out the odd number and even number. So if one's digit of any number is 5, 3, 7, and 9. So the number will be odd number. Okay. So by using this rule, we can easily find out the odd number. Okay. So let us find out the odd number from the following numbers. So 15. 15 is odd number. Why? Because in 15, 5 at ones place. So that's why 50 is odd number. Okay. Next, 307 is odd number. 519 is odd number. 103 is odd number. 847 is odd number. 913 is odd number. And 949 is odd number. Okay. Question number 16. Compare the numbers and fill in the boxes with the correct sign. Okay. In this you have to compare numbers. So this is your homework. You have to compare these two numbers and you have to put these both sign between them, as in first 215 and 251. So we can see 251 is greater than 215. So we will put here this sign. Okay. And this is very easy question and you have to solve it. Number 17. Encircle the greatest number and tick the smallest number. Okay. मीन्स आपको इसमें जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है उस पर सर्कल करना है और जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है उस पर आपको टिक करना है. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आपको क्वेश्चन 9 में जो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं इनको आपको यहाँ पे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में राइट करना है. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, मीन्स बढ़ते हुए क्रम में. Okay. Number 19. Question number 19. Arrange the following numbers in descending order, means decreasing order. So you have to write all this number here in descending order. Okay. It means decreasing order और घटते हुए क्रम में. And question number 20. What is the greatest and the smallest number you can make with each set of digits? Means here is given some digit and you have to make smallest and greatest number. Using 965, 569 is smallest number and 965 is greatest number. Okay. So you have to solve B and C. So for today your homework is you have to solve question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 along with remaining questions of previous question. Okay. Thank you and God bless you.